हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर ब्लॉग फ्रॉम पौंडीचेरी। और आज मैं आप सबको ले चलती हूँ इंडिया का, स्पेशली साउथ इंडिया का ट्रेडिशनल होम ट्रिप पे। तो मेरे साथ मेरे साथ चलना पड़ेगा हेरिटेज बाय दी फ्लेयर में, जो हम लोगों का 2 दिन का पौंडीचेरी में जो रहने का जगह था, यानी कि हम लोगों का एक हेरिटेज होटल। मैं एंट्री ले रही हूँ होटल के अंदर आप सभी के साथ। आप सभी को मेरे ब्लॉग में स्वागत है। पहले से ही हम लोग ये डिसाइड करके गए थे कि हम लोग मॉडर्न कोई होटल में रहेंगे या कोई पुराना ट्रेडिशनल हेरिटेज हाउस में रहेंगे। सबका ही पसंद था ये ट्रेडिशनल हेरिटेज होम जैसा होटल, हेरिटेज बाय दी फ्लेयर। और ये जो बिल्डिंग है 100 साल से भी ज़्यादा पुराना है। एंड डी फ्लेयर इस हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है होटल में, एंड इसको लुक्स को चेंज ना करते हुए पुराना ही लुक्स में रख के ही ये होटल को बनाया गया है। और हम लोगों का यही था बेस्ट सिलेक्शन, where we can enjoy the smell of old Indian tradition and its pride. This kind of house is called Nalukettu in Kerala. And this courtyard house are traditional homes built around the central open space. These houses are common in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The courtyard serves as the heart of the home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a communal area for family activities. And this is the wide courtyard of this heritage house. The architecture of this house had sloping roof, which came down very low and protected the walls from rain and sun, thus keeping the interiors cool. Not only the sloping roof, it had the wooden pillars and sustainable materials like terracotta tiles and laterite stone, all designed to suit the tropical climate of the South India. This courtyard is typically a rectangular structure where 4 halls are joined with the central courtyard, or Nadu Mutta, open to the sky. The 4 halls on the sides are named Vadakkini, Padin Jattini, Kizakini, and Hekkini. The architecture was specially catered to large families of the traditional Tharavadu to live under one roof and enjoy the commonly owned facilities of this 101 started or of the family. And this door leads us to the garden area, which is transformed into a gym, and the sitting for the garden areas. And this kind of building must have been inspired from the ancient Chinese house architecture. Kerala had a long and strong history of trade with China. You can find the wooden pillar of these courtyards. Structurally, the roof frame was supported by these pillars on walls erected on a plinth raised from the ground for protection against dampness and insects in the tropical climate. Walls were often made of abundant local timber. The roof frame consisted of the breshtammer or wall plate that supports the lower ends of the rafters, the upper ends being connected to the ridge. The weight of the rafters and roof created a slight sag in the ridge when the ridge piece was made of flexible materials like bamboo. And this gramophone is also 100 years old. জাস্ট ট্রাই করা হচ্ছে যে বাজবে, আর আমরা ওয়েট করছি। 100 years old না? Very fantastic. This is the staircase and it is also made with bamboo roof. And the furniture is also 100 years old. I am enjoying this furniture very well. And an old staircase. This staircase leads to the open terrace where we can find a 6 living rooms around this open terrace, and sitting arrangements also there for the guests. There are numerous buildings of the Nalukettu type in different parts of Kerala, though many of them are in a poor state of maintenance. Changing socio-economic conditions have split up the joint family system centered on the large Nalukettu. এই যে প্রপার্টির এখানে 20, এটা হচ্ছে 207 রুম। গদিগুলো ভিজে গেছে মনে হয় এদের, এখানে বসতে পারলাম না। And this house is an example of Nadu Muttam that will be normally open to sky, allowing sunshine, rain and natural energies to circulate within the house. A tree that is called Tulsi is normally planted in the center of the Nadu Muttam. It can be used for worship and acts as a natural air purifier. You can see the living room from my previous vlog. Once again, I am sharing our bedroom, our living room and the garden from the bedroom. And we are enjoying the every corner of this heritage house. This is another room we bought, and this is our living room or bedroom, and every room has a balcony. And this is a washroom which reflects the heritage looks. That's why I'm sharing it with you. It's tiles, it's furniture, it's color, decoration and everything reflects. বেসিন যেটা দেখানোর হচ্ছে টাইলসগুলো ভীষণ অ্যান্টিক টাইলস, অ্যান্টিক স্টাইলে করা, যেহেতু বাড়িটাও বেশ পুরনো। এগুলো কালারগুলো খুব সুন্দর করে কম্বিনেশন করে করা। আর And the main attraction of this heritage house is its courtyards, its lights, its decoration, its wooden structure, its wall, and the smell of the wooden pillars, its furnitures, and everything. And thank you everyone for watching my vlog, and wait for the next Pondicherry vlog. Thank you my viewers, thank you my supporters for supporting me, for supporting my channel. Thank you once again.